Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen, and I'd like to introduce to you our 2019 Volkswagen Atlas Execline, finished in a beautiful blue exterior with a nice black leather interior. This is an Execline. The only thing missing is the R-Line package, so it is fully loaded here. You do have all-season mats, full power adjustability on the passenger side, and you do have Fender premium audio. Coming around now to the second row here, you will notice a lot of leg space and head space, a beautiful panoramic sunroof, ventilation and climate control at the rear, as well as heated seats for the outer seats. You have USB and a 115 volt charger down below. Looking at the second row, you do have full adjustability, backrest can be manipulated, and you can move the seats forward and back. This is your lever to access the third row seats here at the back. One flip, easy access. To put it back, easy flip back, and you're good to go. Manual sunshades as well. Coming around now to the third row seating, or the hatch of the vehicle, you do have a nice large amount of cargo capacity. Once you fold those second row seats down, you do have a large amount of space. 60-40 split as well. Expanding into the cargo, this gives you a lot. You could fit a fridge in here if you'd like. Coming over here, you'll notice that these seats are pulled up with a strap. And very easy pull as well, giving you a lot of space over here. You got some cup holders and cubbies as well. To put these seats back down, very simple. You got your switch here and push. Push. Here you have a little bit of storage area as well, and you'll see that nice storage cover. Put it down, power tailgate as I said, and away you go. Coming around now to the driver's side of this vehicle, you have full memory power adjustability down low, automatic lights, and you got the regular classic Volkswagen steering wheel. You do have cruise controls, driver assistance controls at volume on the left side, and you have Bluetooth and dashboard controls on the right. Checking out all the safety features, you got lane assist, blind spot monitor, rear traffic alert, and front assist. This vehicle currently is at 43,112 kilometers. Coming around to the media stack here, I'll show you the climate real quick. You have dual zone automatic climate control with heated and ventilated seats for the driver and the passenger. You have heated steering wheel right here. Sorry, got focus. There you go. And you also have engine auto on and off. Down low, you'll see that you have your auxiliary, USB, and 12 volt. Checking out the cup holder area, the shift knob area, you will see that you have a parking sensor button right there for the 360 cam. You also do have park assist. Once you click that button there, it will help guide you into your parallel parking spots or regular vertical reverse front end spots as well. Electronic parking brake here. This vehicle does have navigation. You also have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Once again, quick image here of the backup camera. There you go. Awesome. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly introduce to you our 2019 Volkswagen Atlas Execline that we have here on the lot. This vehicle has exceptional mileage. It's very comfortable, very spacious, perfect for trips with the family, or if you're just into big cars, this is the way to go. Once again, this is Jason here at Valley Volkswagen. We have a lot of staff members here that are ready and equipped to answer all the questions that you have with a very deep knowledge base, and we hope that we can serve you soon. Take care.